Hello, Professor. Hope you're doing well. My name is Safwan Iqbal Shabadi, student ID 101445157, and here is my video for assignment 4 that I have done. So, according to the instruction, I have to solve some problems and I have to work with pandas. So let's get started. So there are some exercises that has been given. First, which is given that download the test CSV file from data frame named my data frame. So I have downloaded that data frame and give the name as my df. So this is my CSV file that I have downloaded, and after downloading this, I've started solving each and every problems that is given, such as show the first three rows from the data frame. So here, if I go to my code, I've imported some file here. I've imported some important necessary libraries such as pandas, matplotlib, splt, numpy, and matplotlib plyplot for the further stuff that's required. So I have load the data set here, which is this one given, and so put it side by side. So uh, first question was to show the first three rows of the data frame. So the first three rows of the data frame display the first three rows. So if I go here, you can see there is first three row has been shown in the output as the first three rows are here. You can see the three rows are printed here. Second question was to delete temporarily model column, to delete the model column temporarily. So as you can see, there is no model column here because it has been temporarily deleted in the code using and but here is a model column, but you'll not see here because I've deleted the model column temporarily. Number 3 of the code, third question was to permanently delete the model column. So you can see the index here. There is no model column here which is permanently deleted. And in the next code as well, you will not able to see the model column because it's been deleted. So number 4th question was to permanently delete the rows 1, 3, and 5. So here is row 1, 3, and 5. You won't see the first 1, 3, and 5 row. Instead, it has been deleted. But instead, you'll see 2, 4, and 6 rows, 0, 2, 4, and 6, which is here. And fifth question was to calculate the mean of the range column. Let me close the CSV file. Calculate the mean and range column. So here you can see I have done the mean of range column. It is given here. Number 6 question was count F type and replace with AAA permanently. So there are values types. So it was a F type, but it's showing AAA here. So you can see there is an F type value, but it has been ranged to AAA permanently. Again, seventh number question was to clean the cost column by removing the $sign. So the $sign has been removed here and in here for cost column here, and according to the previous, you won't see the type F has been renamed as AAA here. Eighth question, convert the cost column into the integer. So you can see the cost column has been given changed to the integer. Next question is calculate the average cost of group average by continent. So the average cost, you can see it is given here by the continents, like Africa. There are 7 continents, so there are several continents, so you can see the average cost here. Next question, minimum maximum standard of cost group by the continent. So continent cost status here is given minimum and maximum cost, and it's the standard cost. Same here, all numerical columns, standard of all numerical columns grouped by the continent, which is fixed. So you can see the values and output here. Next question was to plot all the mean of the numerical columns grouped by the continent. So it's all numerical column, and it's all shown in a graph here where numerical columns grouped by the continent here. You can see the graph. Next question is to count each continent in the continent column. So each continent in the continent column is like North America is 143, Africa is 143 columns. So there are each and every column has been counted for the continent column. Next is the percentage of each continent. So this is the percentage value of each and every continent here. Next question is unique values and their count in continent. So there are some unique values. So it shows me the number of, there are 7 number of unique values here. Next question is to value count for cost column. So you can see the values count and cost columns are here for as per the questions. And I have also plotted the histogram for cost column. So you can see the cost column's histogram that has been plotted here. And x level is frequency, y level is for the cost, and this is the histogram of the cost column. And this is the bonus question, like use 50 bins for the histogram. There are 50 bins and given in here as the histogram. 90 is the missing values in zip code and type. So the missing values in zip code and type are here. The missing zip code is 0, missing type is 0. So there is no missing zip code and type in the data set, so it's showing 0 here. Number 20th question is drop rows with any missing values and count remaining rows. The rows remaining after dropping missing values is 936. You can it's showing me the value here. And the last question, the 21st question is the values count for type including NaN. So there you can see there is NaN values count type here. It's showing me this. Next question is to replace missing type values with triple X. So the missing type values with triple X has been replaced. And drop rows with missing values permanently. Here set IDs, index, delete index name, and access specific values. I have delete index name and access specific values here. So as you can walk through the code, you can see the problems that is required in the problems that has been given in the assignment instruction is getting solved. Here you can see describe statistic and fetch specific value, sort of value of continent here. And here I have given some specific rows and columns for type and continent here. And last question, show value of type equals to triple X. So its triple X values are shown here. So that was my assignment for Professor. Hope you will like my assignment, and thank you so much. Have a good day.